Hello, this is Martina from Yaskawa Europe. Welcome to our software lab. In the last two parts, I was showing you how to monitor and analyze the data coming from robot controller with the software Checkbot. I was showing you how to monitor alarms, how to do your own dashboard and other functionalities. Today, I will show you how to monitor running jobs and how to do automatic backup of the robot. I can also monitor the robot jobs online. So I can see where exactly my robots are standing in the job. I can see my main job here. I can see the sub jobs also running in here. And I can also see the jobs without going down to the cell. I can check my maintenance of the robot. I can schedule it also. I can also monitor the situation during the alarm occurrence. So I can record with the web camera 10 seconds before or 10 seconds after the alarm occurrence, and I can see physically what was happening in the robotic cell. I can also check the backups. So if I go to the main screen, I can look up here on the backup plans, and I see that my demo showroom cell has one successful backup and two failed. Well, then I can look also when is the schedule of my backups. So in this case, it is Monday at 9:12, and I'm backing basically all the files. You can of course choose which files to be backed up, and you can choose also the occurrence of the backup itself. Checkbot can do this and much more. Please check it out. The link is below on this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.